Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. I hope everybody had a good week. Where I know we're in the middle of our week right now. I have reached out to a few parents, and I hope that we can have more group sessions with everyone, so everyone can socialize and see each other through this time. I know we miss each other in the classroom, and I definitely miss each and every one of you. So hopefully we can get those sessions together, and I also will be posting some videos, some artwork, and stuff for everyone to be able to do at home. And you're more than welcome to share it with me whenever we do have our group sessions. So I will be emailing parents about the Google Classroom, and hopefully I'll be able to post some fun things for everyone to join in and play together, and we can just learn how this whole thing is gonna go from here on out. Okay? I will see you guys soon. Hopefully tomorrow when we do have some of our sessions. Goodbye.